Hello friends, today I am going to show you a new product that will make your old music systems or CD players, or you have old music systems like a speaker or something that doesn't support a Bluetooth, or if you have a car stereo that doesn't support Bluetooth, this is the solution for you. Or you can use it in an innovative way where you want to make and share audio via Bluetooth. So this is a product that is made by TP-Link, and as you can see here, it is mentioned NFC enabled Bluetooth music receiver, and it is Bluetooth 4.1. On the side of the package it is mentioned what is inside the box, and there is one power cable here, one 3.5 mm to RCA cable, one 3.5 to 3.5 aux cable, user guide, and an NFC tag. So the NFC tag is very useful. You just tap it on the tag and it gets connected to this Bluetooth immediately. So this is the model HA100 that is available in India. I don't know what in other countries are available, but this is the only model that is available in India. So on the right side of the box it is mentioned here that it pairs up your devices with Bluetooth music receiver, connect to any stereo supporting 3.5 mm or RCA jacks, works perfectly with Amazon Echo Dot, transmits up to 20 meters, that is about 65 feet away, within direct line of sight. That means if you have a wall, this won't work. That is the normal case about a Bluetooth device. So on the back it is mentioned here Bluetooth 4.1, as you can see here, NFC quick pairing, 20 feet, high compatibility, multi-point connectivity, and advanced CSR chip. So what I will tell you, what is a multi-point connectivity. Multi-point connectivity is that it enables your speaker to be connected to two Bluetooth devices at the same time. So this particular device supports two Bluetooth devices at the same time. Like if you connect one device on your phone and another one you connect it with your iPad, so either one, from which phone or which iPad you played the song, it will play from that one immediately. So let's open this up, my friends. So the box is a bit tight, I don't know why. Yes, it is tight. Okay. Yes. So as you can see here, this is a nice tab here to pull the box out. Packaging is really good by TP-Link, and presentation is first thing that they take care about. So out of the box, when you take out, you get this small Bluetooth device. As you can see here, it is a gloss finish, TP-Link's usual gloss finish all sides, and it, as you can see, it is just fits in my palm, very small, and Bluetooth NFC is mentioned here on the back, model number, and it is rubberized so that wherever you put it, it will not slide away. As you can see here, see, I'm pushing it out, but it is not going anywhere. Behind you get the power connector, that is the USB micro USB port, and 3.5 mm headphone jack out. So let's check what's in the box. Okay, inside the box, as it was mentioned earlier, we get one 3.5 to 3.5 mm cable, and one NFC tag, and one 3.5 mm to RCA, a power adapter, and last but not the least, the power cable, USB-A to micro USB, as you can see here. So we don't need this right now. And what's more inside, let's check this out. Yes, the quick start guide, as it is mentioned here, how to connected and everything. As you can see here, my friends, this is the quick start guide. So let's not take a lot of time, and we will go through with the setup. So as you can see here, my friends, I have connected the wall point here. So we will be connecting this on the back. I suggest you to connect to the wall part if you want better performance, or else you can go ahead with any of the USB port that you have on your devices. So first of all, you need to connect this very properly here. Do remember, don't to break it away. So it is connected. After it is connected, you will be seeing a light will glow up here. This is the blue light, white light. We have the NFC tap here, and I do have 3.5 mm jack that we will use it on my Bose speakers. So I'm connecting this. So as you can see here, my friends, this is the aux, this is the power cable of my Bose, and this is the aux in port, and we will connect this here. As you can see here, I'm connecting this on here. So it is connected here. Now it is the audio into here. So we will put the speaker on this side and check this out. So it is connected now. So I'm powering on the speaker now. It is powered on now, and it is in Bluetooth. So we will connect it to the aux in now. So as you can see, it is now connected to the aux port here, and this is providing the signal to that. So now we will use a phone, any of the phone that supports NFC here, and we will connect it to this Bluetooth device. So my friends, I have a OnePlus, so OnePlus doesn't support, this is a very old phone, though it doesn't support the tap feature. If you have a phone that supports a tap feature, you can go ahead with that. So we will go ahead with this pair, new device here, and it will show the names, the TP-Link music here. As you can see, it is mentioned at TP-Link music here. We will click this. You will see the color of that white will change to blue. This color will change to blue. Okay, we will allow. So it is now turned to blue. As you can see here, it is now turned to blue. So it is blue, means it is connected. Now I will play some music here. As you can see, I'll play some music from here. It is playing here. You can also control the volume from here. So I have closed the app again. Let me turn this on again. So it is showing some music here. So in this way, you can turn any of your device, music system or any speaker that doesn't support a Bluetooth, you can use this device and revive it to life. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Do subscribe my channel. Stay safe. Bye bye.